talk about gas prices real quick. I actually want to talk about the new super weapon that Russia has. But the thing about gas prices is that they're drastically low. Like, the thing is, like, gas should be like $5 a gallon right now. It really should be. But the thing is, if they raised, one would think that if they raised the price, that the petroleum companies would actually, get more money. But it's actually the adverse effect, because what's going to happen is there's going to be more of a reason to look outwardly for renewable resources and this, that, and the other, different forms of technology aside from the combustion engine. And so that's why the OPEC, the petrodollar, is severely undervalued and whatnot, but the thing is, they don't know how to. And basically, like, the petrodollar is the only thing that's keeping a plug on things. And what's coming up is that we've got to do a change. We've got to do a big change on fuel, because we need to start paying off some debts and all that good crazy stuff. And so something's got to give. And we can't really do much more about. We can't do nothing about the labor force, because we're cutting that, and we see, like, okay, we raise minimum wage, but then that creates that causes businesses to implement labor cutting technologies and invest in R&D to remove the worker from the equation, because the labor, well, that's gone up, and the minimum price for labor has gone up, and that's usually where companies would balance their margins on or whatnot. The system be 100% efficient, mechanically, but if it's operated by human beings, that there's bathroom breaks, there's 2-hour breaks, lunch breaks. There's so it's not 100% labor all the time, whereas robots, there is. At the same time, there is no such thing as 100% efficiency, because 100% efficiency means that there is no management, and so one would just have to assume that all is going well, because if there's anything monitoring the process, well, that becomes inefficient. Does that make sense? Perpetual motion doesn't exist, and it doesn't exist in businesses or in the real world. The only thing that's perpetual in this world is the oneness universe, is the universe. And but that's going on a different tangent. So we really need to jack the prices of gas up. I freaking saw a shelf container of coffee drink for $5, a 16-ounce at best cup of coffee for $5. But with my car, I can buy a gallon of gas. I can buy 2 gallons of gas and get between 60 to 100 miles. And the thing is that the gas prices seem to go up, because that's where the taxes come into play. Because the roads get fixed through the gas tax. It's devilish. It really is. So I can everybody say, be kind of stay strong. Oh, I gotta make another video.